Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Mdu Shabalala bafethu, khona into engiyizwile ngaye enhle kakhulu bafethu ayenzayo. At just the age of 21 seqalile useva imali ukuthi by the time retire angabi ney'nkinga. So lento le ngiyithathe kwi-interview kaRama laphana me-interviewer ubani uMulife lo breaker iy'ndaba ey'ningi one-podcast naye ukhuluma everything lo sebenzele i-SABC. So bebakhuluma nje ngokuthi ama-player kumele abe nayo imali mawa-retire. So kune-financial company abayiqalile laphana ukuthi i-protect ama-football players ukuthi nje abe sharp, akwazi ukusave imali. So uMdu naye is one of the players udecide ukukhomitha a certain percentage yomholo wakhe bafethu ukuthi ayi-investe laphana. I mean, that's a good thing for yena umfana ukuthi already mncane but-ke is thinking ahead ukuthi ibhola lingaphela noma ngabe nini, kungaba i-injury, kungaba yini, you never know. Awuthola ukuthi nje u-professional setup umuntu una-5 years, abanye bano-10 years. Ulakhi futhi ube na-10 years bafethu. URama ukhulume ngento ebaluleke kakhulu kuleya interview le ukuthi yena akumphathi kahle ukubona ama-football players retire and then umuntu sebuyele elokishini akasenalutho, but benayo opportunity yokuthi umuntu akwazi ukuseva imali yakhe. So kulula, I mean, at the peak of ukuba i-football player, imagine ulokhu njani, uShabalala unangakhi, una-21 if angenzi iphutha. Kulula ukuthi iy'vunguvungu zomhlaba zimthathe enze noma yini, but-ke noma kuthola ukuthi uba reckless kwesinye isikhathi, but-ke uyazi ukuthi by the time retire ikhona imali ayiseyivile. And enye into ekhuluma uRama uyasho ukuthi khona le moment le uthola ukuthi ama-player awanateam 2 months, uthola ukuthi uhlela una-income, kula uzokwazi uku-withdraw some of the things or some of your funds la ubowulokhu waseva ukwazi ukuphila for time being until uthole i-team. So emphasize kule nto le ukuthi i-footballers career encane kakhulu. So kumele abafana bakwazi ukusave. I mean, that's a good thing. I wish abantu abaningi bakwazi bayenze lento lena, especially ama-players babe committed to lento lena. Ukhulume ngokuthi abanye babadonsela 10% of isalary yabo, abanye babadonsela 15%. So I mean, a-good initiative overall. Let's hope uMdu uzokwazi ukutshela ney'ntanga zakho ukuthi bafowethu ningakwazi ukusave. By the way, umenshine nezinye izinto ukuthi nawo Sanlam bayazenza lezi zinto lezi, like different financial spaces or companies bayazenza. Uyakwazi ukubeka imali yakho kwi-football, hhayi ukuthi uphenduke nje into nje. Nkosi yami, kuthiwa niyambona nje uma sekayisibotho kanje wayedlala i-professional football. So they're trying to avoid konke lokho. So kudos, shout out to uMdu bafethu, uMdu Duduzi Shabalala, youngster elihlakaniphile nangaphandle egrawundini, uyakwazi ukulungisa into zakhe ukuthi ashape i-future yakhe, because uya-understand ukuthi i-future yakhe isezandleni zakhe. Danke bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.